Hi, and welcome to Domenica's Showhouse. Our showhouse has been thoughtfully put together with the customer in mind. Here we showcase all options and finishes that are available for your new home. Through the feedback we receive from our customers, we have created ideas of bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, and living rooms for you to have a full experience of how your dream home will look like. Our interior design team and sales consultants are at your disposal to help you choose options that suit your taste and budget by either choosing from our existing options or offering you a truly personal service to meet your custom requirements, whatever they might be. Contact us today to book your free, no-obligation personal tour.